Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely remove our finances plugin from a Redmine 7.0.0 stable version. Currently, this version is the very latest version of Redmine. It was released 1 month ago, and currently we are in the middle of 2026. And yeah, this is going to happen also on the Linux Ubuntu operating system 26.04. This means that it was released on April this year, 2026, and it is an LTC version, meaning that it is going to be long-term support, so it is going to be active and supported for a lot of years ahead. Yeah, so it is, in other words said, it is a good operating system. Okay, so the very first thing that we need to do is to just open our Linux terminal and then change the directory to our Redmine. In my case, this is the path where I have installed my Redmine, but please make sure to double check your directory of Redmine because it could be different in comparison with mine. So please check this before you proceed with anything. Okay, so here we need to execute a command that is going to downgrade our database. So this means that it is going to delete every table in our database that is related somehow to finances plugins. Okay, so it is going to happen with the command sudo bundle exec rake redmine plugins and name that is Redmine Finances. This is the name of the plugin and the folder. And this is the most important thing here, the command. This is going actually version 0 to downgrade our database on this point. Okay. And the last parameter is Rails and production that is going to point the server to be a production one. Okay. So we click enter now and wait a couple of seconds. Sorry, this is actually my mistake. The name of the plugin is not Redmine Finances, it is Redmine Finance. So please also make sure to not make this mistake that I have just made. But we fix ourselves now and continue. Good. So these logs that are listed now mean that everything is happening as a successful deleting the database tables of finance plugin. Okay, so we see drop table operation relations, we see drop table operations, and also drop table accounts and so on. Drop table operation objects and everything else. So this is deleting the database tables of finance, and it is now clean and clear from the finances plugin. Okay, so this step has been successfully executed, and the next step that we need to do is to just delete the folder of the Redmine Finances plugin itself. For this purpose, we need to change to the plugins directory, list the files, and see that we have Redmine Finances folder here. We need to delete it. And before that, we could also check this thing into our Ubuntu file system. Okay, so we enter the path of our Redmine, the plugins, and see that here it is. It is the finances folder here. Good. So we need to remove it via the command sudo remove. And okay, this argument here is going to recursively delete every subfolder of the finances. So every folder that is inside this folder is going to be also deleted. So everything about the finances is going to be deleted. Okay, so click enter, list again, and see that the finance is no more here. So it is deleted from our list of plugins. Okay, so if you go to the files system as well, you'll see that we no more see the finances here as well. So we have successfully removed it. Okay, and the very last thing that we need to do is to just restart our Redmine. So it also depends on your configuration and setup of your Redmine. For example, if you're using a virtual machine of Redmine Bitnami installed, you need to switch the virtual machine off, then switch it on. And also there are other options available, but in my case, I'm running my Redmine into the terminal of Linux. So it is started in this way, and if I close the window, then actually my Redmine is shut down. It is no more running. So if I refresh now, I see that here it is, nothing is happening, my Redmine is down. So I need to start it up again from the terminal, and this is my way of restarting my Redmine. Okay, it is happening with this command. So we wait a couple of seconds for Redmine to start up. Okay, it is up and running now. So when I refresh, I see that this is my Redmine running again. And the thing is that there is no more finances plugin here. Okay, we see that we do not have the finances plugin here. So yeah, we have successfully removed and uninstalled our finances from Redmine 7. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Also, you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, share the videos from there, and yeah, anything like this. If you have some questions or problems, please feel free to contact us at support@redmineup.com, and we are always going to help you. Thanks again for the patience of watching this, and see you soon. Bye bye.